So Melrose Place is about prostitutes who are mad at each other.
My famous tuna salad.
Mac and cheese with bacon bits.
Stinky tofu.
That's exotic.
How is this fuller than before?
Hey there, neighbor.
Hello, neighbor. I'm Louis.
I'm Marvin. This is Honey.
Hello.
Hi.
We just got back from a month in the Keys.
Oh, that's wonderful. You took your daughter on such a nice vacation. Your dad is a good man. Listen to him. Stay in school.
She's my wife.
Of course she's your wife. She doesn't look like you at all. Oh, no. You're reading Stephen King. What's wrong?
I have nothing in common with these neighborhood women. I miss my friends back in D.C. We had such pleasant talks.
And stop reading that book. Those stories always give you nightmares.
You know what gives me nightmares? Our bank account. Stephen King should publish my checkbook.
Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, yam, shimmy, yeah. Give me the mic so I can take her away. Off on the natural charge, bon voyage. Yeah, from the home of the Dodger Brooklyn squad. Wu-Tang Killer, hubby's on the swarm. Rain on your college disco dorm. For you to even touch my skill, you gotta go to one killer bee, and he ain't gonna kill now. Chop that down, pass it all around.
Eddie! That's very expensive. If you want to waste something, you waste water. Do not throw juice.
Mom, get out of my fantasy.
Jessica, water doesn't project success. Capri Sun does. As does Cattleman's Ranch ribs. Great pork at a fair price. Come on, fly girls. Try a rib, tell a friend.
This is not free, okay? I'm going to charge you all.
Shimmy, shimmy, y'all.
So you wanna be a gangster? All that smoke in it, don't even trip. You be hard as hell, take whatever you want. Punk suckers wanna front.
What happened to your leg?
You a gangster, nothing more, nothing less.
I'm so hungover.
What?
Hey, girl. How you living?
I'm fine. Hi, I'm Honey.
Yeah, you are.
Eddie, stop acting weird. Go to the bathroom. We're leaving soon.
Aye, Mama. Aye.
He seems nice.
These Skittles are compliments of that gentleman over there.
Go on, girl. Taste the rainbow. Your mom's. You see, honey? Ask her how those Skittles treated her.
Why are you giving women candy?
'Cause they're so sweet.
Go to your room.
Aye, Papa. Aye.
Oh, I can't believe you're actually eating my food.
This is delicious. You know who's gonna love this? Nicole. Oh, that's Marvin's daughter. She's my stepdaughter.
Oh, that's nice. She's not even your real daughter, and you love her.
She's cutting equally sized pieces because of communism. Isn't that right, Jessica? Because of the communism in your country?
Or I'm just cutting cake.
Care to dance?
Yeah, I'm not really feeling up to it.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun.
Perfect.